Hi there, welcome to this introductory video to MA Designer Maker here at Camberwell College of Arts. Okay, about me, my name is Oscar Lessing. I'm the course leader here at MA Designer Maker. I'm a practitioner as well. I've got my own design studio, and I work with some colleagues that will be teaching you and guiding you through the masters. They're also practitioners, artists and designers, and so they'll be giving you relevant advice and understand the appropriate kind of things that you'll be doing in the industry, so you'll get a good voice coming from them and myself. Okay, why Camberwell College of Arts? It's an inner city campus with multidisciplinary courses, courses from multiple disciplines, I should say, across design and fine art. Of various different sizes and different levels as well. So if you've got BA and MA, you'll be learning from those people as well as the tutors. You'll be in the workshops, which are really good here at Camberwell. You'll be working alongside those students and seeing what they're doing. So there'll be plenty of peer-to-peer learning, and you'll be able to develop a student network, and I hope in the future a professional network through meeting those people, and they'll become your lifelong friends and colleagues. Okay, so why Designer Maker? Essentially, it's a course that that introduces you to the idea of Designer Maker as practice, so you'll become an independent designer practitioner. It teaches you how to develop those skills for a creative practice through craft and making in the context of contemporary design discourse, through society and humanity. You're making design objects for people and thinking about how they fit in. So we do making as research. You'll learn how to tell stories through your objects. You'll make objects that are relevant for your audiences. You'll do this also through critical thinking. You'll learn how to apply critical thinking and use your curiosity to investigate ideas. You'll develop creative voice and ethos, developing your own recognizable design language. We'll do plenty of research study trips across the country, where we do some overnights and some day trips, visiting workshops, taking part in workshops, and visiting museums, galleries, and studios. You'll refine your making skills amongst a multidisciplinary cohort. So on this course, we get people from lots of different backgrounds doing lots of different things, and we share ideas and learn from one another. Okay, Unit 1. The course is broken up into 3 units, as you've probably seen from the website. Each unit is 15 weeks long, and the whole course is 15 months long, making 45 weeks of study. You're in the first unit, it's called Exploring and Understanding Research, Context and Methodology. So you'll be developing your own research focus in that course, in that Unit 1 course. We'll do this through developing your making skills with specific technical workshops, which will be guided through the technical teams here. You've got Introduction to Practice as Research, how to communicate your making practice to others. We do object-based learning through the UAL archives and special collections, where we work with museum-type objects from their special collections, handling them and responding creatively. We develop a research focus, so you'll develop your own research question and direction for your study. We've got lots of contextual exercises, such as research mapping, where we develop our own maps based on the associated things that you'll be interested in, pertinent to your projects. Okay, Unit 1. These are some of the projects that you'll be doing on Unit 1. First project will be research objects, where you establish a research direction through rapid making, where you'll make 100 objects, and we'll do a show and tell exercise at the end of that. Here's some of the outcomes from those research objects brief. Second brief is called Object to Object, where we work with the special collections and archives team, making objects in response to those museum objects. And then we have an exhibition across the campus in various display cabinets that runs from a month to 6 months, depending on which cabinet you're in. And your work will be visited by all the people that use the campus, contractors, staff, students, and all the visitors that visit us. Okay, Unit 2, building practice through process, testing your ideas, considering your work through experimentation and iterative prototyping. We do thinking through making, focus project briefs to suit your design direction. We link theory and practice, and we expand the scope of your research. Here's some of the projects we work on. This is a project brief, which is going to be specific. You select the project brief, which is specific to your needs. This is working with remnant timber from the solid wood company. It's a live project, and we had an exhibition for London Design Festival. This is ceramic extrusions. This is a project working with the NHS where it was a collaborative project with a bunch of students led predominantly by Uning Huang, but this was an organ donation memorial for our National Health Service. And then we work with a worshipful company of fan makers, Rethinking Fans, which is one of the oldest guilds in London. Okay, so Unit 3 is about resolution, realization, and synthesizing, making, and practice-based research. Advancing your skills for studio practice, demonstrating the consolidation of your skills and knowledge built through your research and practice, which is about realization, making a final project based on the things that you're interested in and you've been learning throughout your master's study in Unit 1 and 2. You realize your research into a self-initiated project, which is kind of you develop a coherent practice so that in the future, when you go on to professional life, you can make decisions fluently and effectively. Okay, so final major project images. So we've got various different types of objects, automata, craft objects. This is about sustainability and ecology, about species extinction. Here, this is about making kinetic furniture. And then some people make jewelry objects or objects that relate to jewelry, such as this. Okay, your application, what we're looking for a personal statement, a portfolio of your work, and a 2-minute video task, which you can see the details of on the website. Okay, additional opportunities on the course. We've got collaboration across postgraduate community within the college and across UAL, and we do lots of different exercises so that we can link up with other students. Advice from UAL careers and employability so that your future careers can be effective as you depart the college and the campus. Visits to artist and design studios. We do various ones across the country, as I've highlighted, and you will also develop your creative and professional networks here. Okay, careers after graduating. Ideally, you'll transition effectively into professional life, and many of our alumni go into becoming independent designer makers. That could be artists or designers, jewelers, ceramicists. Some establish their own design studio and work with other people. Lots of people go into interior design, product design, fabrication, set design and build, and also many go into higher education, and some are employed as tutors in this college. Thank you. Okay. Scholarships. UAL postgraduate scholarships, home and international, 2 routes, means tested and merit based. Use the scholarship search tool to check out what financial support is available. International applicants, check if there's a UAL representative in your country. The details of all these things can be found on our website. Okay, and then finally, you can follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, details there, and you could email us also. So thank you so much for attending and visiting this video page. We look forward to seeing some applications from some of you. Thank you.